Welcome to Review Lab. The best double hook fishing rig is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools in any angler's arsenal, designed to significantly increase your chances of landing that trophy catch by presenting two baited hooks simultaneously, thereby doubling your opportunities with every cast and minimizing the risk of losing a fish that might otherwise escape a single hook. Number 5. YOTO Saltwater Fishing Leaders. Introducing YOTO fishing leaders, designed for saltwater fishing. These high-strength wire leaders are perfect for your lures, bait, or hooks, ensuring a successful fishing trip. Our 2-arm leaders come in a pack of 12, featuring a 90 pounds main leader and 55 pounds arm leader. This design keeps your hooks free and clear, improving your chances of a catch. Strengthen your main line with these steel fishing leaders. They are essential for taking your surf fishing game to the next level, providing reliability and performance. Equipped with swivels, snaps, and beads, these rigs prevent twisted wires. The arms also feature swivels, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience on the water. Ideal for bottom and surf fishing, these leaders are suitable for a wide variety of fish. Catch bass, pike, salmon, trout, and more with confidence. These leaders protect your main fishing line from sharp teeth. They improve tension and allow you to easily add or remove weights and hooks without retying. What we like. This rig offers excellent line protection and prevents tangles with its built-in swivels and snaps. If you are looking for a versatile setup for bottom or surf fishing that can handle various fish species, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anglers who want to simplify rigging and reduce line twist. What people say. Using them on musky, good quality leaders. Durable and easy to use. They attract a fish and definitely worth the buy. Well constructed, held up fine. Number 4. Classic Double Fishing Hooks Kit 9908. Introducing the Classic Double Fishing Hooks Kit, designed for anglers who demand reliability. These hooks are engineered for superior performance in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a black nickel finish, these hooks offer exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion. They are built to withstand the toughest conditions and the most aggressive catches. Featuring sharp, barbed points, these hooks ensure a secure hold, minimizing the chance of losing your prize catch. The smooth surface also protects your fishing line from unnecessary wear and tear. Whether you're targeting freshwater species or braving the saltwater, these versatile hooks are up to the task. Their design is suitable for a wide range of fishing applications. This comprehensive kit includes 140 pieces in various sizes, neatly organized in a free, reusable box. Everything you need to enhance your fishing experience is right here. What we like. Featuring super strong, high-carbon steel construction, these hooks are designed for durability and to prevent fish from escaping. If you need reliable hooks for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, especially for smaller to medium-sized catches, this kit offers excellent value with a large quantity. What people say. Quality of hook is excellent. I use them to tie a large crab pattern and the hook holds up well in a salt environment. Decent quality, very sharp hooks. Good for tying mouse and frog flies. Number 3. Shark Rig Stainless Steel Twin Fishing Hooks. Experience superior strength with our fishing rig, constructed from 49-strand stainless steel cable. It's nylon-coated for enhanced durability and boasts exceptional corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity even in harsh saltwater environments. Our hooks are forged from high-quality 420 stainless steel, featuring a sharp knife-edge point. They are designed to be incredibly strong and resistant to corrosion, perfect for the most demanding trolling conditions. Each rig is meticulously hand-tied and machine-crimped for maximum strength. Double crimping with heat shrink wrapping provides excellent abrasion resistance, ensuring reliable performance cast after cast. This rig is your ultimate companion for targeting toothy fish and big game species. It's perfectly suited for catching sharks, tuna, marlin, grouper, and many other powerful ocean dwellers. Each package includes a double hook rig, available in sizes 10-0 and 12-0. These high-strength saltwater hooks are ready to help you land your next trophy catch. What we like. Built for the toughest conditions, this rig boasts a 400 pounds test stainless steel cable with nylon coating for superior strength and corrosion resistance. If you are targeting large, toothy saltwater game fish like sharks, tuna, or marlin, this heavy-duty option is designed to withstand their power. What people say. The hooks are sharp and strong, perfect for catching larger fish. The rig is easy to use, even for beginners. It's very durable and holds up well in saltwater. Number 2. Mustad Classic 2 Extra Strong Double Hook. Introducing the Mustad Classic 2 Extra Strong Double Hook. Designed for superior performance and durability. Featuring a Dublin point and crafted from stainless steel for exceptional sharpness and corrosion resistance. The extra short open shank provides a secure and versatile rigging option. These hooks are 2x stronger and forged for maximum strength, ensuring they can handle the toughest catches. Utilizing Mustad's wire technology and tempering process, they are lighter yet up to 20% stronger than conventional hooks. Specifically designed as a double tuna hook with a 70 degrees angle, making it perfect for targeting large game fish. What we like. Experience the renowned quality of Mustad with these 2x strong, stainless steel double hooks featuring a Dublin point. If you prioritize hook strength and a reliable point for a secure set, especially for tuna fishing, these offer a lighter yet stronger solution due to their advanced wire technology. What people say. The 809010 are 2x strong shank heavy enough to handle West Coast albacore and medium-sized bluefin and yellowfin tuna. Good quality replacement hooks for tuna trolling feathers. I use these to replace treble hooks on saltwater lures. They should be heavy enough to handle the biggest fish. Number 1. OROOTL Double Hook Rigs. Introducing the OROOTL Double Hook Rig, designed for serious anglers targeting big game species. Experience superior performance and reliability on your next fishing adventure. Crafted from high-quality 420 stainless steel, these rigs offer exceptional anti-rust properties for extended use in saltwater. The carefully designed barb ensures a secure hold, minimizing the chance of losing your catch. Featuring robust 7x7 stainless steel cables with shrink wrapping for maximum abrasion resistance, these heavy-duty rigs are built to withstand the toughest fights. They are hand-tied and machine-crimped for superior strength. Enjoy unparalleled corrosion and rust resistance, making them perfect for both trolling and chunking. These rigs are engineered for great performance in harsh marine environments. The OROOTL Double Hook Rig is your ideal choice for targeting powerful game fish like tuna, marlin, shark, wahoo, and mahi. Get ready for an unforgettable big game fishing experience. Each pack contains 3 saltwater double hook rigs, available in a wide range of sizes from 6.0 to 13.0 to suit your specific needs. We wish you a successful and bountiful catch. What we like. This double hook rig is specifically designed for trolling and chunking, offering excellent corrosion resistance and strength for big game saltwater species. If you enjoy targeting marlin, shark, or tuna and need a robust, reliable hook for these powerful fish, this option provides a great balance of performance and value. What people say. Hooks and cables seem good quality. Good hooks, very stiff, good for wahoo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.